Hey little yogis, are you ready to become strong like a tree and fly like a superhero? Today we're going to move, stretch, and have so much fun together. We'll balance, breathe, and feel happy and calm. Get your body ready, take a big deep breath, and let's go.
Cat. Round back like cat. Cow. Drop belly, look up. Frog. Squat, bounce like frog. Butterfly. Flap knees like wings. Lion. Big breath, loud roar. Good job. Rabbit. Curl down like bunny. Bear. Walk slow like bear. Monkey. Jump side to side. Mountain. Stand tall, body straight. Tree. Balance on one leg. Good job. Triangle. Make big triangle shape. Star. Stretch arms, legs wide. Chair. Sit on invisible chair. Bridge. Lift hips, make bridge. Warrior 1. Step forward, arms up. Good job. Warrior 2. Arms wide, look forward. Airplane. Balance and fly slow. Dancer. Hold foot balance, steady. Child, rest down like baby. Happy baby, grab feet, rock. Good job. Robot, move stiff like robot. Ninja, jump fast, move quiet. Smile, stand still, big smile. Relax, lie down, close eyes. Good job.